Great ladies doing the great race, going on a great road from a great town in Jacksonville, Florida. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, go!
Grab my camera around my neck.
Flagging team number 40, Stan Mizell. Team Pratt's in the gate. Sam and Ann Pratt out of Bedford, Pennsylvania, driving and navigating 50 Chevrolet Fleet Side four-door sedan, 216 cubic inches, 90 horsepower. This type car was overlooked for years. Now they're highly desirable, always very collectible.
You guys ready to roll? Let's go. We're ready to get out of here. Jacksonville, let's help them out of here. Ready? Are you ready? Asher, are you ready? 3, 2, 1.
Go!
Team
Go, Pratt, go! Go, Pratt, go!
Team Jackson, Tommy and Anita Jackson out of Baytown, Texas. Tommy's driving, Anita's navigating rookie division.